I would say, to anyone looking at building the home, to put your time in. I mean, all the salespeople at all the different places were great. I think we went to 6 different communities, and all of them were able to show us something or a feature of the home that they like about Tabor or anything, and give us ideas as we were picking out what we wanted in the home. So that was pretty cool. I just personally love the ability to choose the lot we wanted, where we wanted in the complex, and just kind of choose all the features as we went. We lived near where the home was being built already, so it was exciting going every few days and watching the progress as it went.
I love the kitchen. That's my favorite part of the house. I also love the laundry room. It wraps around into the closet, or the master closet, and then into the master bedroom, and I love that.
We all gather in the kitchen, and a nice big island. It makes it a place, the whole family can kind of gather. And then just the layout in general, and then the upstairs bonus room. We've been in Edmond for about a decade now. We really wanted to kind of stay in that school district and keep the kids in that area. You're building a home, and it's custom to a point, but you have options, so you're not running around all over town trying to pick a tile and, what carpet are we going to use? We got to design our home at the same time, in a much more streamlined